Hi guys, and welcome to this new video. So in today's video we're going to look at some of the very best e-commerce platform 2021 and beyond. So I'm going to show you some of the very best e-commerce platform you should use from this 2021 and beyond. Okay, so if you are new here, please make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon beside it so that you won't miss any video once we drop them on this channel. So at the end of this video, I'm going to show you the best one to use and the ones you shouldn't use so that you will be informed and know the right stuff to do. So the very first one on the list is Shopify. Okay, so Shopify. So if you don't know Shopify is an e-commerce platform where you can you can set up your e-commerce platform on Shopify and enjoy some of their features. So they have a 14-day free trial. Okay, so this is a paid service, so you can go. I'll leave their links to all this stuff in the description so you can check it out, or you can go search Google and learn more about them. Okay, so they have pricing, they have a whole lot of stuff, but I think this is a good e-commerce platform because I know people who use it and they're making good amount or good money, and the way Shopify runs this stuff here is awesome. So this is the first one, which is Shopify. Okay, so you can check more about them. So if there's anyone you would like me to talk more extensively on, just comment in the comment section, tell me the name, and I'll do a separate video dedicated to that particular one you want me to talk about. So the next one here on the list is Ecwid. Okay, you must have heard me say talk about Ecwid here on my channel. I personally used Ecwid, and I know how it is and how good they run. So it's another great e-commerce platform. So as you can see, this is Ecwid. You can sell anywhere, and it's easy to implement. You can sell on Facebook, Instagram, Amazon, wherever, and you can start for free. Okay, so they will allow you to start selling at least 10 products for free. Then when you have more than 10 products to sell, then you can start paying them, and you can check out their pricing. Like I said, the link to this stuff will be in the description below so you can read more about them. And if there's anyone, like I said before, you want me to talk about more extensively on, all you need to do is to just tell me in the comment section and I'll make a separate video dedicated to it. So this is the second one, which is Ecwid. So another great one is Wix. Okay, so most of you know Wix as a website builder, but the good part of it is that you can also use it to create e-commerce platform. Okay, you can also use it to create an e-commerce website. So you can use it to create a lot of website, e-commerce, and so many. So you can check it out here. Let me try and check if I can see it right now and show you. So you can use it. As you can see, yes, this is Ecwid. Okay, so as you can see, order online from wherever, e-commerce platform, as you can see here, online store. So you can use Ecwid to create your e-commerce platform. I'm going to show you the best one to use at the end of this video, so keep watching. But all these ones I'm mentioning, they are fantastic, they are great, and they are easy to implement. So if you want me to talk more extensively on Ecwid and even show you how to do it, all you need to do is to tell me in the comment section and I'll do the video for you. So this is the next one, which is Ecwid. So another great one on the list right now is WooCommerce. Okay, so WooCommerce. So this is WooCommerce. So let me open this up and show you. Okay, so for those of you who know WooCommerce, you know that WooCommerce is a platform that allows you to sell online and any type of product, so you don't need to pay to use this service. Okay, so WooCommerce integrates with WordPress. Okay, so WordPress plus WooCommerce is going to give you your e-commerce platform. Now there's a whole lot of stuff to this stuff to it, so I won't go deep into it right now, but one of the best one to use, in fact the best one that I will always recommend to you to use while creating your e-commerce platform, is this WooCommerce and WordPress, because WooCommerce combined with the power of WordPress, gives you a whole lot of stuff to use. As you can see here, there are so many features. I will leave links to in the description so that you can check all these things out. But like I told you, this is the best to use, and this is the one I will always recommend anybody that asks me for e-commerce platform where he or she can create e-commerce platform for free, and not totally for free, because you are going to buy domain and hosting and all those stuff, but this is the best because it's going to give you a whole lot of flexibilities and it's going to give you plenty of room to scale even when your business starts growing. So this is the best platform to use. WooCommerce plus the power of WordPress will give you a great, fantastic e-commerce platform. Now guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. So if there's anyone you want me to talk more extensively on, all you need to do is to hit the comment section, tell me the name, and I'll talk about it more extensively. Now I have videos which are coming up next, okay? So make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell icon so that you won't miss all those videos and you'll be the first one to get notified when I drop those videos. Okay, so stay tuned and expect more videos from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, do all the subscribe and everything for me. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed.